Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing and calibrating the pH reader so readings are accurate. First, mix your calibration solutions and rinse the probe with distilled water. Blot gently to avoid contamination. Once ready, power the meter and enter calibration mode. Immerse the probe in the pH 7.00 solution and confirm the first point. After the device accepts it, move to pH 4.01 or 10.01 for a 2-point calibration to ensure linear accuracy across the expected. Now you proceed to measure your sample with steady technique to get reliable results. Once the probe is calibrated, rinse it and immerse in the sample, ensuring you reach the manufacturer's recommended depth. Stir gently to remove bubbles and let the displayed value stabilize. Make sure to note the sample temperature or enable ATC on the meter so readings adjust automatically. If you need repeatability, measure duplicates and record both values and conditions to track any drift over time. Finish by properly storing the probe and documenting your measurements so they remain valid. After each session, rinse the probe, place it in the recommended storage solution, and power down the meter. Log the pH, temperature, and any anomalies. If readings are unstable or inconsistent, recalibrate immediately and inspect the probe for age-related wear, blocked junctions, or inadequate storage. Make sure batteries are charged and connectors are dry. These quick checks often resolve most common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.